Assalamu alaikum. Okay, now I'm going to show you how my internet takes these two commands for my DNS to start automatically. I'm in quad, and these two commands I'm going to change, and my internet is going to start. So let's go. Go. Okay, now internet is gone. Let's wire it. Look, you know, let's wire it. Okay, so I have USB switchnet. So, okay, the wire is done. Now it attacks a wire. It detects the wire. Ethernet. It's a Ethernet. Okay, let's hold on. It's connect. Okay, now it's connected. Okay, let's go to see network settings. So this is network setting, and I'm getting quad 9, but I'm not able going to browse it. So let's go to Chrome. Where is Chrome? Chrome. Okay. Uh, okay. So let's go to guest mode. Now in guest mode, I say anything like google.com. Yeah, continue to site. Okay, google.com. We go to Facebook. No, okay. This is going to give me this error. DNS for every time. So, you know, to get this error off, you go to terminal and you give it these two commands. Now, it didn't happen before, but after I posting things regarding, I'm facing issue, I'm facing that, it's starting happening. Let me give me password and get back. Okay, I've given the password. Let's see. Password wrong. Sorry. Try a second. What? Okay. After the password, the correct password is wrong. So okay, so let's see the setting here. Now look at this setting. Now let's go there down. Comment these three. Sorry, this and three. This. Okay. Now save it. Serial. Oh, sorry. Where is serial? Okay, CTLO. Save it and exit. Now restart it. There we go. Sorry, serial Z. Copy, not cut. Now we copy this here and we say restart. Now I want to say that the settings are in here, that these two settings, DNS and DNS over here, are disabled. Now it's going to work. Okay, look at this. Voila. Now there is one more step to enable this back again. So let's suppose now it's going to work. I don't know why, but now when I remove this CTL, this supposed to not happen, a few days back, but now it started happening. Now let's restart it again. Password, let's give it password. Hold on. Okay, the password is this. Okay, now it has been restarted. Let's restart again. Restart. Now I go to Nano and see it's here, and I go to Facebook, and now it's work. Now it's something that is making redundant. Whatever I do, to go to security and everything that I do, it makes things redundant. It start making, first I never used to do it, but now it's starting to make it difficult. Like, it's state, well, we are going to give you DNS, no issue. The storm fiber, or this is state, whatever is involved in this my PC, because this PC is a compromised system. I'm already saying that it's a Dell Inspiron. Look at here, it's Dell Inspiron. This is a compromised PC, and I'm running Linux Mix. I had same issue with Windows. Every type of issues, I'm going to post more. But this is one of the issues. Worked fine before, no issue. Started creating issues. This is a compromised system. They are trying to take away your energy. Inertia. Take away your energy, try to make you more hard to get there to work you're done. If for a normal person this is not going to be the case, I think so. Or maybe I might have done some setting wrong, I don't know, but I don't think I have done any setting wrong that I have to do this again every time. But this happens. This happens. And whenever I go to security, they make it hard. Either they will disable it for 2 days. They disabled this domain. 2 days disabled it. I went, I post, then they enabled it after 2 days. The other Storm Fiber user, the other ISP user were not having this issue. I was working fine with this DNS, no issue. I have posted on forum. But after 2 days, they blocked it, and now they have added another step which was not before, and that step is this: that you have to go back. Oh, sorry. Well, where am I? Sorry, CLZ. Okay, star X, CLX. No, I don't want to say the buffer. Okay, now they have made it these two more steps. So they increase again and again. So that's what my point is going to say.